Ever wondered why you have repeat customers? No, it's not because of the beautiful smile that you have when you see them, and it's not because of your beautiful fragrant perfume. It's because your flowers last longer than the florist down the road. Now, earlier I demonstrated how to make flower food water. Now, using the same bucket that I prepared with the flower food water for extra kilometres in your floral foam, I'm going to demonstrate now to you how to soak your floral foam. So to my left here, that's what floral foam brick looks like. It's got writing on one side and then on the other sides it doesn't. And notice that it's been individually lined. So you've got 1/3 of a brick. So there are 3 bricks if I wanted to cut through that foam, which I will use for my number 5 bowl or number 6 bowl. I'll get to that later in more tips to follow. So what I've done, I've cut it in half using a knife. So that's what it looks like when you put it together. It becomes 1 brick, and then when you cut it in half, it becomes half a brick. I've cut it deliberately in half because it'll fit nicely into the container that I've got here below with water. So I spoke earlier about writing on one side and not on the other. Now, when you're soaking floral foam, make sure the writing is face down in the water, because the embossed letters then allows the water to go through the letters and it drags it in. Now, if you want your floral foam to soak faster than normal, I will encourage you to put the kettle on, a bit of boiling water with room temperature water that you've got here in the bucket, or then make your water in the bucket warm. So when you place your floral foam into the water like so, it'll then sink faster. Now, it is a big no-no to forcefully soak your floral foam, because if you do that, your foam in the middle will stop drinking water. So a bit like it goes into shock. So please watch it soak naturally, a bit like the Titanic sinking. And then when it goes from being light green to dark green, and I'll demonstrate that very, very shortly because it's about to go really dark green, that then is telling me, pick me up out of water, I'm ready to go. So it'll go from a lightweight floral foam brick to a heavyweight floral foam brick, and believe me, there is a huge difference in weight. Now, that's been now soaked in floral foam water, which means when you start using this beauty, the flowers are going to last longer.